Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We got our tonight's video, or tomorrow's video, whatever time you look at it. Please like and subscribe because I don't get paid for these videos. I don't have a backer. I don't have anything. Please like and subscribe. I got like 90% of people watching these that are not subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button. And like I said, on with the video. Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We're going to fix another PlayStation 2. Sorry it's been 3 weeks. Or probably almost a month because I've been dealing with kitchen problems and stuff like that around here at Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair. We're going to go ahead and fix this 3001. So we can get you a shot of the model and the serial number on it. It's pretty bad, I guess. Anyway, it's the 3000 PCH 3001. The serial number is U4216401. So we get a better shot of it for you. Might be the lighting, I don't know. There you go. It's been opened before. This is a Salvation Army lot. It says powers on, does not read discs. So we're gonna go ahead and get her all hooked up. Show you my process, how I do this. On how I test them to check for power and all that stuff. This is a version 4, by the way. Go ahead and hook up the video. Get the controller out. I doubt it's going to work anyway. Well, what the heck. Like I said, this is how I do stuff. So, if I can go ahead and prop you up, guys, up in a chair. I like to do stuff on the floor because it's easier for me. So, I'm going to prop you up so you guys can see the television. Ow. Here's my hand. Oh, that's not going to work. Trying to keep my hand out of the shot here. No, it's not focusing. Fantastic. I guess I'm going to have to hold it. Come on, quit being a jerk off. This is why I like using my phone better, everybody. See if it's got power. It's got power. That didn't sound good anyway. It's got video. Yeah, I'm using my tablet today, so sorry about the monkeying around with it. Usually I can set this thing up anywhere and it'll sit there, but apparently this one's having focusing issues. So let's go ahead and put a disc in it. I'm just going to go ahead and put a random game in it. Put in Gran Turismo. that didn't even sound good at all. It's buzzing. So I have reason to believe we're just going to take this one apart and inspect the drive. Yep, that buzzing sounds like a bad flag. I got flags, so trying to keep it straight. Put you up on my knee quick so I can hit buttons. So let's see if it disc read aired out. Yeah, disc read air. I'm just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go ahead and take this apart. So I'll set you down. I'll set you down. Sorry about everything. Like I said, I'm not the greatest camera person in the world. So I'm not even trying other discs. I guarantee you, we could try it, but I guarantee you it's going to air out on a CD and a PlayStation disc. So I mean, we can try it, but like I said, it's just going to air out. That flag don't sound good either. While I'm in there, I'll replace the flag. Yeah, disc read error. I said once again, it says do not read discs. It's not reading discs, so we're just going to go ahead and take it apart. And we're going to go from there. Let's get the tools to trade. Sorry about me blocking the camera, because I know I am. No, I'm not blocking the camera. Like I said, you're going to see firsthand what I do to fix these things. Besides me taking the soldering stuff off. This one's not too bad. It's a little scuffed, but you ain't going to get a perfect pristine PlayStation 2 anymore. If I did, it'd be in the box. Be in the box, not even open, and it's sealed. We're gonna do the sixth method. Taking these out and taking the cover off. We're not doing power supply work today. Usually I tend to leave the power supplies alone if they're working. Yeah, I know I could sit there and beef them up and recap them and all that stuff, but I don't have time for that sometimes. And usually if you're gonna do all that and do all that kind of work instead of repairing them, you can go buy a Chinese power supply all day for 14 bucks on eBay. By the time I'm done tracking down all the components and all that stuff, it's not worth the time. Alright, just looking for my screwdriver. Found it. Make sure you guys can see. Oh, by the way, PT code is 142 216411. This is my passion. It's an art form. I play my PlayStation 2 discs now on my PS3 backwards compatible model. I don't even turn that thing on anymore unless I want to read off the hard drive. Definitely tell somebody's been in here before. Hopefully they didn't screw with a bunch of crap. That's even worse of a problem these days. People want to fix it for $0. That's not possible anymore. Lasers are becoming short supply, guys, so place I was getting them for jacked them up to $800 a piece. I could not believe that. So, yeah. Either stuck with Chinese junk or pay somebody $800 for a laser. I'd rather not pay anybody $800 for a laser right now, so. I told you, 6 screws. I don't take them all out. This one is being a pain in the rump. Somebody's definitely been in here before because, as you can tell, this is removed. This piece of tape right here has been basically messed with. And I guarantee you this is a crappy B-style laser. So we're just going to get to it and change it. Like I said, I try to show people that I actually do look at these and refurbish these. Looks like somebody tried to clean this out. It looks pretty clean inside. But just cleaning it's not going to fix your no read problem, unfortunately. Will not fix a no read problem. This looks like this one was at a service center too. There's an inspected sticker on it. That's odd. And we'll do the pop out method. Just pop this out. I like doing it this way better anyway. Careful when you're doing that though, you can snap these taps off and then this thing is junk. So make sure you have an extra one laying around. Any 4 to 7 will fit on there. Let's see if they messed with the cog wheel. I bet you $100 they did. Which is a nightmare to try to fix, by the way. Looks like somebody has messed with it. I like to pop trays out. Let me see something here. Okay, the diode did come on. Hopefully nobody touched the wheel cog wheel. We're gonna find out. Being dusty in the drive though. Remember, don't lose your screw. Hole can come out. Yeah, you guys think I just do laser swaps? I kind of don't. I've got board problems. Oh, that's really fancy. This one's all messed up. Check that out. Chinese junk. There it is, first hand, folks. Chinese junk. It's got a China sneaker on it. Check this out. That's hose too. I'm going to have to replace that. Look at this. I was taking the ribbon cable off. You didn't see it. This has been damaged. This is damaged. So I said, watch what you're buying. This is also junk too. I have those. If they ain't new, don't put them in. I'm telling you, I don't care what kind of Chinese freaking seal that is. It's got a 21021 on it. Bogus. Trying to keep it in the shot, but yeah, this is junk too. I have these. Put a new one in so it doesn't make noise. So we'll go ahead and fire up the soldering iron quick and we'll get this KHS 400C installed. These are becoming extinct, ladies and gentlemen. And you'll see that little anti-static point. You gotta take it out, that little blob. These are becoming very extinct. So I only have one left. So I'm gonna stop buying them because I can't find lasers anymore. Yeah, you heard me right. Can't find lasers anymore. Any reliable laser anyway. Can't buy them. They're not reliable anymore. They're usually getting them from AliExpress or some other dumb place where they're taking them out of PlayStations. So I just stopped buying them. See? New flag. Getting a new flag. I like to set these on top of these, assembling them. Screw out of the old one. Somebody tried to repair this and it failed because they bought something from eBay and it was Chinese. Chinesium. It's a T4, by the way. Don't lose this screw. They're unobtainium. Trust me. I take them out of old lasers when they get lost. I lost one on a carpet once. Never to be seen again. I was like, frick, what am I gonna do now? I had a jacket out of another PlayStation. It was for that one. You tighten them all the way up. I usually go about there, which is about a turn or a turn and a half. Yes, we still gotta take the anti-static off. We have to fire up the good old soldering iron over there. Like I said, it's one of those things. I only have one laser left. It's not like it's the end of the world. I want to sit there and search months for another stock source, but I don't think that it's a viable option at this time because these aren't selling. What the heck? Why is it being focus funny? Oh well. I like my phone better, guys. My phone autofocus is better. It's just dead at the moment. It's just dead at the moment. This iron good quick to heat up here. I don't believe these were new either. I think they were good used ones. But I'm not for sure. I didn't sell them, so every dang one of them's worked for me so far. So anti-static has now been removed. Laser's live, guys. Like I said, it'll probably be the last fat model I'll be fixing for a while, so I can find another reliable laser stock, which I don't think I'm going to be able to find right now, because I can't even find 400Rs that are worth anything right now. Like Rich's PSX parts said, can't find a reliable source for them, so they're going to stop selling them. Finding the same issue. So that's a Sanyo laser, guys. It's a Sanyo laser. Like I said, I put a C-style laser in here. We'll see what happens. It didn't read a dang thing. Throw that one in the garbage. Fucking Chinese fucking refurb junk. You hear me right? Chinese refurb junk. See these Salvation Armies and stuff, they won't take the time to sit there and fix these, so. Go ahead and turn the TV back on. roller. In case we get signs of life. Put you on my knee so you guys can see. This thing is making a heck of a lot of noise. I'm gonna have to fix that. Yeah, it's buzzing. I'm gonna have to get a different one. Hasn't aired out yet, though. There it goes. Whoop. This is Gran Turismo 4, by the way. Excuse my fingers again. What the heck? There we go. The space is saying there's no memory card in there, which we all know that. We're just picking random stuff. I don't care. Get ready to drive, full throttle. Like I said, I'm not really good one-handed. You get the point. It works. I'll swap discs. That was a CD, PlayStation disc. Go ahead and reset. I can sit here physically right now, take this disc out and run it, and then they'll say please insert disc. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Ford Racing 3 in. Some good one to test for rumble. This one probably hasn't worked for a very long time the way it was. Oh wow, I booted right away. Woo! Like I said, I'm trying to show you guys I'm not lying when I'm doing this stuff. It's not like it's a dog and pony show, you know, that I'm just like other YouTubers do. This is actual real live time videos when I'm repairing this stuff. This one's been sitting on the back burner for months because I haven't really had any reason to fix it. So I got 8 slims. I gotta get 10 lasers for. Because I had one sitting behind that I bought that was a slim as well, so. Seems to be tracking okay, too. And I'm going to show you on the PlayStation 3 between the PlayStation 2, there's not really a difference.
Welcome to Ford Racing 3. Single player. Ford competition. Movie car chases. Car selected.
I want to get a transfer thing. They made a transfer thing for PS3. You can transfer your PS2 saves to PS3. I need to get a hold of one, but they're not cheap. Especially if they're in the box.
3, 2, 1.
We got a super start. As you can tell, she's got rumble. I'm not even driving. Go ahead and set you down again. Excuse my finger. Go ahead and take this out again. It's another PS2 saved from the grave. I'm trying to show you guys 90% of your problems are 95. I'll say 97, okay? 97 of your problems is usually a disc reading issue. So if you put a laser in and you still exhibit the same symptoms and you did exactly the way I told you to install it and everything, and you still have an issue, check your system management controller. The 3001Rs are horrible for that. Let's see if it picks up a PlayStation disc now. For some reason these older ones like to it seems like the thing has subsided too. Takes a little while on the older ones to read a PlayStation disc for some reason. I don't know why. I've tried to adjust them to the point to a little bit high or a little bit low, but these older ones do not. For some reason, the PlayStation disc, it has to go into PS1 mode. The newer ones are faster at it, like that one. It'll go right into a PlayStation disc like that. But yeah. This one seems to be working.
Rage Racer.
See if I get music on this one, otherwise I gotta adjust the laser again and reset it. Nope. Seems like it's fine where it is. So we'll leave it there. I'll put a DVD in it, see what it does.
Start your engines and let's get it on.
I got copyrighted striked on a couple videos for Paramount for Turtles.
3, 2, 1, go!
Of course, I won them every time because I showed them on the video that I own the media. It seems to be working okay. I'm going to take that out. And we're going to reset it. Like I said, I'm using the tablet today, so sorry about the video quality. Like I told you, I usually use my phone, and that I need to get a tripod for, so. I'm gonna go ahead and put a DVD in, a DVD movie. Once again, we're going to use Encourage. I got this out of a PlayStation 2 recently. Somebody left their DVD in it for some reason. I don't know why. It's just a no-name thing I've never heard of. And it's HBO video, so it's Warner Brothers. So let's see if it plays a DVD movie. Then I'll leave you at that. You'll probably not see a video from me for a couple of weeks. Make sure you like and subscribe, because I gotta get parts for these things, and trying to find PVR lasers is a pain in the rump. We might have to adjust it for DVD. There it goes. I think we can adjust it a little bit up, or a little bit lower, whatever you want to say. I don't know. As far as I'm concerned, it's playing it, so I might just leave it alone. It says HBO. It's their copyright, whatever. I didn't make the DVD, I just have it. This is one of those I don't care if it gets scratched DVDs, because it's not it was never mine to begin with. Play. There you go, folks. She's playing the DVD. There you are. There you have it. Another PS2 version 4 safe in the grave. So, like I said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Like I said, I got 9 slims to do, and they all say some type of read error. Probably it's probably just a laser. Those are a laser or board problem. Usually the board problem was a catastrophic failure. But I had to fix one with no rumble once. That was pretty cool. Hopefully that helps somebody else out. I don't know. But yeah, those are all the Salvation Army ones. So like I said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.